Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the usage of inner join, outer join, and the differences between them. So we have already studied what an inner join is. So we are going to use Sakila database for that. And we are going to use two tables, customer and actor. So first, let's see customer ID, first name and last name from customer table. And similarly, let us see actor ID, first name and last name from actor table. So I'm just going to select this and execute it. So this is the output for this query. Now inner join is going to have a condition where we are choosing first name and last name columns from both the tables in the join condition like this. Okay, customer alias is C and actor alias is A. C dot last name equals to A dot last name and C dot first name equals to A dot first name. So I'm just going to select this entire query and execute it. And here we have only one matching record where first name is equals to first name for both the tables. Okay, and last name is also same. So this is all about inner join. We have seen this already in the earlier lecture, but I'm going to focus here on the non-matching part also. So all the records that do not have this matching condition, they are simply excluded. Okay, now if I want to include all the records from the first table, okay, or the table that is there on the left hand side, and substitute null in the rows corresponding to the second table, then it is known as left outer join. So here we have defined the query for inner join, and we can just replace this inner with left outer so that we get the desired results. And the desired result in this case is we are going to have all the records in the customer table and all the matching records of actor table will be displayed against the rows of the customer table, and wherever we do not find match in actor table, the database engine is going to substitute those rows with null. So I'm just going to select this entire query again and I'm gonna execute this, and this is the output. So as you can see, all the records from customer, they are selected, and wherever it did not find the match, it just substituted null. So this is known as left outer join. Okay, so here all the records from the left table are considered, and wherever it finds match in the right table, it shows, otherwise it shows null. Similarly, we have right outer join, where all the records from the table on the right hand side of this join query. Okay, so this is basically the join operator or the join keyword that we can say, and this is the table on the right hand side. All the matching records in the customer C table are selected, and wherever it does not find matching records, it just substitutes it with null. So let's select it and execute it, and here you can see we have Jennifer Davis. Okay, this is the matching record, and this is the only matching record. The rest of the records are not matching. That's why it has substituted null. So let's execute the earlier query also. There I want to show you the record of Jennifer Davis. And we have to scroll down a bit, I guess, for that. Yes, so this is the Jennifer Davis. Okay, so here all the records on the left table are selected, and non-matching records have got null. So in many other databases, we also have the concept of full outer join. Okay, so full outer join is basically the union of both these sets, this set and this output. But unfortunately, MySQL database does not have this facility of full outer join. That's why whenever you want to calculate the full outer join, you just take the union of this set with the union keyword. Just add here union and combine both the queries and execute it, and it will be similar to full outer join. Okay, so these are the types of outer joins. So right outer join, left outer join, and MySQL doesn't have it, but other databases have it. That is known as full outer join. So thanks a lot for watching this lecture. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.